Mullein leaf. Drink me as tea if you are a smoker. I scrub away the black tar buildup in your lungs and help you cough it all out.
I'm pineapple. Eat me when you have a cough. My enzyme bromelain eats through thick mucus like Pac-Man eating ghosts.
I'm Eucalyptus. Put me in boiling water and inhale. I open up your tight, wheezing airways instantly so you can finally take a deep breath. I'm a salt inhaler. Breathe through me. My microscopic salt particles dry out the bacteria in your chest and reduce the swelling.
Take care of your lungs and follow for more health secrets.